guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you are looking for some unique gift option to give to your guy friend or a boyfriend or a husband or father or brother, basically any guy in your life, then this is the perfect video for you to watch, because I have the great gift option for your guy friend in your life. So if you are interested in watching this video, then please keep on watching. So if you're also someone like me who is struggling to find something unique for your guy, then I'm really happy to help you today. I was also like very confused in like what to gift him, because in my case I can either gift him gadgets or the clothing item. Now gadgets are obviously out of my league, like I cannot afford them at this point of time, and clothing too I have gifted him a ton. Like I've gifted him so many shirts and t-shirts in past, and I was so bored of gifting him the same thing over and over again. So I was really looking for something unique thing, even though I have purchased some t-shirts and shirts even this time, but I really wanted some other thing also. So I was just scrolling through the internet to find something unique, and I'm so happy that I found this page on Instagram sponsor feed. Like they have their website, but I found this on Instagram. I'm actually talking about the Black Box Company. Now look at this box. Isn't it just premium? Like you don't have to use any gift wrapper around it, you can gift this like this itself. So that's a great thing, and the delivery packaging was also on point. Otherwise if वो ठीक से नहीं किया होता तो ये बॉक्स मुझे शायद कुछ काम नहीं आता. But I'm so happy that the box is intact, and this is how I have received it. Now what these guys do is they do the customized gifts for your guys. Like some of the gifts you can also give to girls, but most of things are man oriented. So they customize it for you. Like you can customize the name on the product, like you get to choose the initial or name of the product on the product, and you can also add some charm on it. You also can select the charm you want to put on your gift. You also get to choose how you want your letters to show, like they have gold emboss and then they have plain emboss and everything. So the customization and the order procedure was very smooth, and I'm so happy with everything. And there was some problem I faced after ordering the product. Like I didn't get any tracking detail in around 4 to 5 days. So I was kind of scared, like what happened, why I'm not getting any tracking detail. So I mailed them, and the customer care was also very good. Like they replied me within 20 to 30 minutes, and I got my tracking details and everything. I received my box around 7 days after they dispatched it. 5 to 6 days after they dispatched it. So the shipping and everything is also very good. So let me show you what all I have in here. So once like you open this box, what you see is this. Like they have this wrapper over here and this card, which again you can customize it. Like you can choose what message you want on this card. I have chosen this little something for my universe. So they printed this on this card and they keep this over here. So it's a great gift option. Now you have to open this. I'm gonna open this from here and not from here, because I have to gift this and I don't want to ruin the packaging. So that's how you open the wrapper, and all the products are in here. I'm gonna go through them one by one. So the first product I chose, like one more thing I want to add here is they have variety of products there. Like they have everything you can gift to a guy who works in office. Like they have mouse pad, they have notepad, they also have the pen stand, then they have name travel tag and everything. Like you name it and they have it for especially for office use, and some travel accessories is also included. So the first thing I chose was this notepad, because Vivek uses this a lot. I asked him, like, do you use notepad? And he was like, yes, I need that in my office work. So that's why I was so happy that I can gift him his personalized notepad. The quality of this material is on point, guys. Literally, like I'm sure you can see this on camera as well. The quality is better. Like there is no compromise on the quality. And as I just mentioned, you can choose the name you want on your gift. So I have chose Vivek Joshi over here, and I also chose the gold emboss. That's why that is in gold emboss. And this is how you open this, and this notepad pages over here. The best thing is you can also refill this thing, like once you are out of these much of pages, you can refill with another bunch of paper and you are good to go. So that was the first thing I chose for him. Like, I think you can choose a maximum of 4 product in one box. You can also go for like individual product. If you want just one thing, then that's also fine. You can order one thing also, but maximum for one box is 4 product. If you want more product and you still want to box it, then you can order multiple time, and that's how it works. So this is the first product I chose for Vivek, and I'm so happy. The way it looks and the quality feels amazing. Okay, I hope you can see this very clearly. So this one is the first product. Now the next product I chose for him is this keychain. The charm I was talking about is this. I chose this crown charm, and you have like variety of charms also to choose from. Like they have 30 to 40 charms for you to select. And again I chose this letter, which is Vivek, and again the same material. Also I want to add one more thing is, you also get to choose the color of the product. Like it's made out of faux leather material, and you can choose the color. Like they have 3 different color option. One is black, other one is tan brown, and third one is the dark brown color. I chose the dark brown color. So yeah, this is how the keychain looks like. Again, no compromise on quality at all. Even this material is very sturdy and very good quality. So this is the second product I chose for Vivek. Now the third and fourth product are actually travel accessories, which are the pouches. Now Vivek has to travel a lot, so I thought this would be a best gift for him. The first pouch looks something like this. It's a multi-purpose pouch, and he can also store his gadgets and the accessories of the gadgets if he wants. The chain material is also like zipper material, also good quality. And this is how you open it, and you have some feeling to maintain the shape of the pouch. The material, oh my god, I'm so impressed with the quality. I cannot stress on this enough. Like the material and the quality and the everything is on point. You won't get disappointed at all. Trust me guys, just go ahead. I will put the link in the description box below. So just go and check the website and just look for the stuff you are looking for. Now this is the third product I chose for him. The last product and the fourth product is also a pouch, but it's kind of different. Like it has 2 zipper over here, and this is how it looks. Okay, I forgot to show you. Like it also has this name tag over here and the crown, which I chose, and this one also has a name tag here and a crown, which I chose. And this is the pouch, which he can use for the utility purpose, and his toiletry and everything he can put in this. Again, this has this feeling inside to maintain the shape of this pouch. So yeah, this one is the last product which I chose for him. I hope camera is doing the justice to the quality which I'm seeing right now. It is on the point. I cannot believe that I found this page just randomly, and I ordered something from their website. I am looking forward to order more stuff for Vivek from this website itself. So yeah, that was all thing which I got for him. And I forgot to mention the price of everything, so I'm gonna quickly go through the prices one by one. The notepad retails for 500 rupees, and this keychain retails for 300 rupees. The pouch with single zipper retails for 750 rupees, and this pouch which has the double zipper pattern here is for 850 rupees. And the size is also huge. Okay, you can stuff in so much. So yeah, that's why maybe it's quite a bit of expensive, but I think it's perfect as a gift. So yeah, that was all. I will put everything, all the details in the description box below. They have so many other things, like these are the things which I chose. And if you don't like to give to your boyfriend or guy friend or a brother not pad or a keychain, then you can also go ahead and find something else for them, because they have so many products. So yeah, I would insist you to just check this website out and order your stuff from them. So yeah, that was all for today's video. I hope this was helpful for you girls who were struggling really hard to find something for their friends. Then if this was really helpful, then please like this video, comment down below if it was, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'm so thankful for you guys to help me reach 800 subscribers, and I wish to reach 1k real soon. So yeah, that was all for today's video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Wait for my next video. Until then, bye bye.